AI is evolving at lightning speed, and if you're not using it yet, you're missing out on tools that could make your life easier, your work faster, and your projects more creative. Today, I'm sharing 10 incredible AI tools you should be using in 2025, whether you're running a business, studying, creating content, or just curious about technology. First on the list is ChatGPT. It's the ultimate all-rounder for writing, brainstorming, planning, and answering questions. If you need to write an email, create a blog post, brainstorm business ideas, or even role-play a sales scenario, ChatGPT can help. It's also fantastic for learning. You can ask it to explain complex topics in simple terms or quiz you on material you're studying. Pro tip: save your best prompts so you can reuse them and get consistent, high-quality results every time. Second is MidJourney. This AI image generator can create stunning, realistic images and illustrations from simple text prompts. Designers use it to brainstorm concepts, marketers use it to create unique ad visuals, and content creators use it for YouTube thumbnails and social media posts. If you've ever needed a visual that didn't exist, MidJourney can make it for you. Pro tip: be specific with your prompts. Include style, lighting, mood, and detail for the best results. Third, Jasper AI. Jasper specializes in marketing copy, blog posts, ad headlines, and product descriptions. For example, you can give Jasper a basic outline and it will turn it into a polished, persuasive article. It's also great for brainstorming multiple variations of ad copy so you can A/B test what works best. Pro tip: use Jasper's brand voice feature to keep all your content consistent across platforms. Fourth is Canva Magic Studio. Canva's AI-powered tools let you design professional quality graphics, presentations, and videos without needing design skills. Magic Studio can remove backgrounds, suggest layouts, generate images, and even write text for your designs. It's a must-have for anyone who needs marketing materials, social posts, or branding assets. Pro tip: create a brand kit in Canva so your colors, fonts, and logos stay consistent in every design. Fifth, Notion AI. Notion organizes your notes, tasks, and projects, and the AI upgrade makes it even more powerful. It can summarize long documents, turn rough notes into clean reports, and brainstorm ideas with you. For teams, it's a central hub where everyone can collaborate and stay on the same page. Pro tip: use Notion AI to create quick executive summaries for busy team members. Sixth is Fireflies AI. Fireflies automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings. Instead of taking notes, you can focus on the discussion, knowing you'll have a searchable transcript afterward. It integrates with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, making it easy to set up. Pro tip: tag important moments in the transcript so you can revisit them instantly later. Seventh, Perplexity AI. Think of it like ChatGPT, but with verified sources and citations. If you're writing a research paper, preparing a report, or fact-checking information, Perplexity gives you trustworthy results and links to the original sources. Pro tip: use Perplexity to create a quick reading list on a topic. It will pull multiple sources for you instantly. Eighth is Descript. Descript lets you edit videos and podcasts by editing text. If you delete a sentence from the transcript, it removes that section from the audio or video. It's perfect for creators who want to edit without learning complicated software. Pro tip: use Descript's overdub feature to fix small mistakes in your voice recordings without re-recording. Ninth, Copy.ai. Copy.ai generates marketing content like emails, ad copy, and product descriptions. If you're stuck staring at a blank page, this tool can get you moving fast with multiple ideas to choose from. It's also great for social media captions and headlines. Pro tip: pair Copy.ai with your analytics to see which AI-generated content performs best. And finally, Grammarly. Grammarly helps you write clearly and professionally by checking grammar, punctuation, tone, and style. It works everywhere you type online, from emails to social media posts. Even the free version can make a noticeable difference in how polished your writing looks. Pro tip: use Grammarly's tone suggestions to make sure your message comes across the way you intend. The real power comes when you combine these tools. For example, you could use ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas, Jasper to write the first draft, Grammarly to polish it, Canva to design visuals, and MidJourney to create unique images. Then use Descript to turn it into a video, Fireflies to summarize your planning meetings, and Perplexity to fact-check your information. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to give you more time to focus on creativity, strategy, and growth. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try in 2025? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Logithor for more tips on using AI to work smarter.